Welcome back, guys. So let's talk about X Premium subscription. How do we go about that? So I'll come to my X account right now, and having to come to my X account, I'll be able to go to X Premium. The following we've done so far, these are people that followed back. Yes, and we can always employ the automation tool to unfollow people that didn't follow back. Right now, I want to show you about X Premium. So you come to X Premium right here. If you want to subscribe, that's where you subscribe. So you come to X Premium and we have different prices right here. As you could see, we have different prices right here. And what I want to do now is I want to subscribe to monthly, and you could see it has a lot of features. As you could see, we have the basic, we have the premium, we have the premium plus plus. So the basic is about this amount, while the premium is about this amount, which is the one in the middle, while the premium plus is about this amount. So I'm going to subscribe to the premium, and this is everything that comes with the premium. These are the features. So from basic, we have small reply boost, but here is going to be a larger reply boost. This is a very important part of this, and this one has the largest reply boost. Then we have encrypted direct messages, we have mark folders, we have highlight tabs, we have edit posts, we have longer posts, which is very important. And here we have ads in for you and following, larger reply boost, get paid to post, check mark, which is very important, grok with increased limits, and we have X Pro Analytics Media Studio, and we have creator subscriptions, and we have everything in premium right here. And here we have a fully ad free, there will not be ads, but here we have ads in for you and following, largest reply boost, this one has a larger reply boost, get paid to post, so you write articles here. And we have check mark this as radar, and we have, you could check the meaning of all these things. You could just click on that. Experience real time trends like never before, that's what radar is for. And the fully ad free means you're going to enjoy an ad-free experience with occasional branded content in less common areas. So grok with increased limits. So we have grok with increased limits. Grok is leading AI system built into us that can help you answer questions, write code, do research, and generate images. Yes. So we're going to have grok with increased limits. So here in this one, grok AI, so you have highest usage limit. We have to unlock deep search and think, early access to new feature. Yeah, those are the things you're going to benefit from this. So all I have to do now is to subscribe and pay. All I will do now is to try to subscribe and pay. So right now I'll try to make the payments using my using my mobile phone. So what I want to do now is to do the same thing, and I'll use my personal account to subscribe to grok and to subscribe to X. So we have the basic subscription, which is starting at 3,480 naira, and we are going to go ahead. We don't want the basic subscription, but before we go ahead, let's take the subscription we want. So I'll take the ones I want. I don't want the basic plan. You can subscribe for annual, you can subscribe for monthly, and here you could see the monthly subscription. Then when you click on this, you would see that I had my accounts linked to Play Store. I had my card linked to my Play Store on an Android phone. Then I'm going to subscribe for 14,009 per month. So to subscribe and pay is as easy as that. I'm going to just click on subscribe and pay after I've linked my OPay card, after I've linked it to my Play Store, and that's what I did. So we're going to proceed to subscribe and pay right now, and that's all I needed to do. So having to click on subscribe, I will be able to pay right now. Since I've linked my card to my OPay account right now, I'll just click on that and I'll subscribe through Play Store. So after linking my card to my OPay to my Play Store account, so what I did was as simple as that, using an Android phone. And you could go directly to subscribe. Once you have a card, subscription will be easy. To subscribe will be very easy, and that's what I'm doing right now. So you could use different methods. For people in Nigeria, just link your OPay Verve card. I know most people have OPay in Nigeria, so you could see we just made the payments through Play Store, and here we are. So I'm going to authenticate authentication for purchases. So I'm going to say yes always or no always. It depends. I could say yes always. Then I'm now subscribed to X Premium. So let's see some of the features. We want to take a quick thought to X Premium. When you get the subscription, this is the first thing you'll see. You see welcome to Premium. Then you will see things you could actually be in charge of, the more features you can have. So you can get paid to post, but there are criteria to get paid to post, which I'm going to talk about as well, and how to achieve them. So here we have the X Premium right here, and we have everything that comes with it. You could see profile stats and everything. So here we are, and fewer ads and many more perks. So we've talked about all these features, and here it is, the X Premium is right here. So we'll see how to activate some of the features and some of the things we can use, some of the benefits that comes with it. We could actually talk about whether this worth it or not, but so far so good. We've just subscribed to X Premium, and I'll see you in the next lesson where we're going to talk and discuss about the features. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.